Xiamen Hysen Control Technology Company Limited specialized in designing, developing, and providing kinds of thermostats. During decades of improvement, we help clients produce gas boiler thermostats, electric heating thermostats, water heating thermostats, and also cooling thermostats for fan coil units. Help them to build their brands. Strict quality control, full EU certificates, CE, RoHS, Intertech for plug-in thermostats, excellent after-sales service. Let you no concerns about the marketing. Now we cover Wi-Fi and voice control products, entering smart home devices production. Products support Alexa Echo, Google Home. Help make our life not only save more energy and time, but also much more modern and convenient. Hysen Control established in 2008 and created the first production line to produce the first great thermostat for market in 2009. From 2011, we open our own online shop on Alibaba website to promote us, show our company image, and let more people know us. Marching Europe market from 2012, get the CE conformity certificates for all the LCD digital thermostats and sockets and register the first China brand, C and Hysen. With all these efforts, we gained more clients over the world with award and trust. Not only Europe, but also Asian countries, South America countries, Middle East. Applying the patent according to the market trends, get the first German brand, Hysen, in year 2016. Now we entering into smart home field, meet with future, we never stop.